Okay, guys, just going to go over a few plays, what I like for this week. We've got 11 on our watch list, what I like going into Monday, week commencing 29th of November. I'm going to go over four of the setups here. Just pick four by random charts that I think could work this week. So I'm going to share these with you, these four setups, and nothing is guaranteed in the market, guys. We've had some COVID news on the weekend about the new variant spreading. So obviously that's going to have a big impact on the market tomorrow. I'm anticipating a gap down or even a sell off tomorrow, but you never know. Everyone have had the weekend to digest the news. It could go either way. So as always, I'll be following the charts, following the price action, and just seeing where the market goes. So the first one I'll be looking at is Airbnb. So the reason I like it is because we had this downtrend line which it broke on Friday. It opened below the trend line, just zoom in for you to see, but it reclaimed the trend line and closed above. So I'll be looking at this. Obviously, we'll see what effect all this news has on the market tomorrow. But if Airbnb break 175, I like it back to the 182 area. So you're looking at about a 7 point move if this triggers for a call play or even an equity play tomorrow. So Airbnb is what I'm watching, guys. Obviously, COVID news is going to have an impact on this, but I like the way it acted Friday. Even after the gap down, it reclaimed the downtrend line, and we set up nice, hopefully for a play on Monday. So that's the first ticker, guys, Airbnb. The next one, AFRM. Strong week last week, last 3 days. Bounced off the anchored VWAP, which I got pinned to the low on the daily. And then we had 3 good days last week. So if we break this 139 area, 139.50, it could go back to 149. So that's one I'd be keeping an eye on. Could be a bit choppy on the way up. So this one will be played with caution if it does trigger. We'll see how it moves, see what the momentum is like. What sort of flow is going into it and things. But, there's a variety of things we'll be keeping an eye on. But this is definitely one I'll be watching if it triggers, guys. I like the strength from last week. So we'll just see with this bounce if we can have any follow through this week and give us a 9 point play to the upside. The next one is Pfizer. So I like this one, guys, for a few reasons. Some of those reasons are we rejected this. This is the monthly chart on Pfizer. We rejected this area once where the trend line is drawn, and obviously we're at that stage now. So that's drawn on the monthly. If we look at the daily, we did it again on Friday. So the reason why I like this not only is because where it is technically, if this breaks out, it can go higher, but obviously they've come out saying on the weekend that they can create or tweak a vaccine for this new variant within 100 days, which is obviously big news and is going to benefit the company if that is the case going forward this week, especially with more restrictions and cases on COVID. So on Pfizer, I'm looking at the 55.50 area to go. Got targets of 56.72, 57.90 area, 59.70 area, and then if we run, we've got that 63 area. So they're the areas I'm looking at, guys. Obviously, if we gap up above any of these, we'll be using these areas as support, and also, the next area breaks then would be the initial targets for the play for the next leg up. So that's Pfizer. That's heavily based on the news and where the technicals are now, guys. Like I said, I really like where it is. And the last one, guys, is Roku. Obviously, with the stay-at-home stocks, this could be back in play. It's sold off a massive amount lately. I like the way the charts are setting up on the time frames for a bounce. I like where it is, and we broke the daily downtrend last week on Friday. So we only had half day Friday. Who knows where this could have done? We've ended with an hammer. I won't be entering this, guys, because of the sell-off. It's a stay-at-home stock, so it could benefit if we got more restrictions due to COVID. But I won't be entering it until it breaks that 245.50, 246 area, again, depending on the stock act. There's, I've been looking at different things on Roku on the weekend, and there's reason to believe there's money starting to go into Roku. Dip buyers, they may be dip buyers. I just like everything about this for a bounce, but again, I'd be letting the chart dictate to me if that's going to be true this week. So there'll be no play for me until it breaks a 245 area, 245.50, 246 is preferred, and then we'll see if we can get a run back up to the 264 area. Obviously, if we gap above, guys, we'll be looking for an intraday entry pending the candle action and the price action and whatnot. So that's just for the plays, guys. Just a quick video to give you an insight into some of the plays we got in the room. We have 11 we're watching all together. These, I believe, you know, although they picked by random, I believe these four got a good chance of doing something in the morning, you know, especially Pfizer. I like the technicals, I like the news on things, I like the flow on things, so we'll just see in the morning. Like I said, nothing is guaranteed in the market. If they trigger, it'll be a play. If they don't, we'll just wait it out until it does, and if it doesn't happen, we'll be looking at something else. So I hope that helps, guys, and keep these on your radar. You never know if they go, and hopefully you make some cash off it.